Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Payoneer. So firstly open up your Google Chrome, then just search Payoneer. Now open the first link. Now just simply click on sign up, and now choose for what reason are you creating this account. For me, I will just simply click on freelancer. Then now you can choose what you want to get paid or you want to pay. Just simply pick one. Then after that, just simply click on register. And now in the sign up page, just simply choose one of those, either individual or a company. And make sure to have the details for both. If you're choosing company, make sure to have your company details. And if you're choosing individual, make sure to have your personal details like driving license or ID card. So now just simply fill up your details. So after you have filled up your details, just simply press next. Now fill up your contact details and address and phone number. Now just simply click on send code. Now you would have received a SMS on your mobile number that you just mentioned. Just simply enter that and then press next. Now create a password and enter your ID. So after filling up your password and details, just simply again press next. And now what you have to do is just simply add your bank details. So after filling up your bank details, just simply press submit. And now what you have to do is just simply keep an eye on your inbox, where you will receive a confirmation email from Payoneer, and after that email you can start sending and receiving money from your Payoneer account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.